Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the ultimate burger recipe at home. First, let's talk about the patty. Select ground beef with an 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio. This is crucial for a juicy burger. Gently form your patties about 3/4 of an inch thick, and remember to make a small dimple in the center. This prevents the burger from bulging while cooking. Season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. Now let's get cooking. Whether you're using a grill or a cast iron skillet, preheat it to a medium-high temperature, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your seasoned patties on the hot surface. For a delicious medium rare, cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. If you love cheese, add a slice during the final minute of cooking. It will melt beautifully, creating that irresistible gooey layer we all crave on a perfect burger. With your patty cooked to perfection, it's time to build your masterpiece. First, lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Next, spread your favorite condiments, like a creamy mayonnaise or a tangy special sauce, on both halves of the bun. Then, layer on fresh, vibrant toppings such as crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and thinly sliced red onion for that essential crunch and freshness. To elevate your burger, consider adding extra layers of flavor. Tangy pickles, crispy bacon, or sweet caramelized onions can transform your creation. Once assembled, serve your incredible homemade burger immediately. Pair it with a classic side like golden, crispy fries or a refreshing, crisp salad. There's immense satisfaction in crafting a restaurant-quality meal right in your own kitchen. Enjoy every single bite of your perfect burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.